Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Microsoft Excel for DSCR loan underwriting models, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Microsoft Excel for DSCR loan underwriting models, start by opening Microsoft Excel on your computer. Create a new workbook by selecting File and then New. In the upper menu, click on Data to access the data tools. Choose Get Data from the options available. From the drop-down menu, select From Other Sources. Then, click on From ODBC to connect via ODBC. If you don't already have an ODBC driver set up, you will need to install one that is compatible with your data source. After installing the driver, return to Excel and select the ODBC data source you wish to use. Enter the necessary credentials, such as your username and password for authentication. Now, select the specific database or table you want to pull the data from. Click Load to import the data into your Excel workbook. You will see the data populating in your spreadsheet. Next, set up your columns to reflect DSCR calculations. Typically, you need columns for net operating income, total debt service, and debt service coverage ratio. Enter formulas in the appropriate cells to calculate the DSCR. For example, use the formula equals net operating incomes. Ensure your data is formatted correctly to avoid any errors in calculation. Now, you can analyze the DSCR values across multiple loan scenarios. To visualize your findings, consider creating charts using Excel's charting tools. Select the data you want to visualize and click on the Insert tab. Choose a chart type that best represents your data. Adjust the chart's titles and labels to make your findings easy to understand. Finally, save your workbook to retain your work. This basic connection and setup will enable you to effectively use Excel for DSCR loan underwriting models. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.